Hello everyone, welcome back to Easy English with Accenta. Today we're going to dive into the world of English grammar, specifically modal verbs. Whether you're learning English as a second language or you're just sweeping your grammar part, understanding modal verbs is a key part to speaking in perfect English. Now, we all know what verbs are. Verbs are action words like run, sleep, eat, dance, etc. What are modal verbs? Modal verbs are these special verbs used to express ability, possibility, permission, or obligation. So let's get into further details. So first up, can and could. So most of us have this confusion. Where do we use can and where do we use could? So can we use to express the ability and possibility, while could is the past tense of can but can also express polite requests. Like, for example, I can see the moon from here, which means the person has the ability, is able to see the moon from wherever he's standing. And for could you please pass me the salt? It is like making a polite request. Could you please pass me the salt? Next, we have will and would. Will is used to express future intentions or promises, like I will call you tomorrow, where would is used in more of hypotheticals or making polite requests, like would you like to have some coffee? For the third one, we have shall and should. Shall is a bit more formal and is used in questions to offer or suggest something. Like, shall we dance together? Or, it's raining outside, you shall take my umbrella. Now, for should, why do we use should? Should implies for recommendation or suggestions, like you should try the new restaurant in the city. Next up, we have must. Must is all about obligation or strong recommendation. For example, you must watch this movie, it's fantastic. Or you must go to the doctor. Finally, we have may and might. Both deal with possibility, but may can also be used in asking for permissions. For example, may I use your phone? And talking about possibility, he may come to the party since he left office early. Whereas might is used where there is a lower possibility, where there's a lower certainty of the thing happening. Like, he might come to the party if he finishes his work early. Now, understanding when and where to use each of these modal verbs can really polish your language. Try to make sentences using each of these modal verbs in the comments below. Or if you have any questions, drop them on the comment box and I'll get back to you. So that is all for today. Thank you and have a nice day.